This is what $975,000 gets you in Ann Arbor, Michigan. My name is Paul Singh from the Talbot team, and we are in Scioto Township in Ann Arbor, Michigan, touring this beautiful property listed at $975,000. And we get calls and emails from people just like you every day that want to move to Michigan. This amazing new construction subdivision is located conveniently only 10 minutes from downtown Ann Arbor, where you have one of the most prestigious universities in all of America, the University of Michigan. It's also conveniently located only 5 minutes from your popular restaurants, stores, and 94 Expressway. For those of you that don't know, I-94 actually takes you east and west all the way to Chicago and all the way to Detroit. I'm super excited to show you guys the property in the neighborhood, but before we get started, I want to thank Caroline Chen from Crown Properties International for letting us tour her listing. This beautiful luxurious home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3,200 square feet, and wait till you see the master suite. Without further ado, let's check it out. Welcome guys. So right when you walk in, you see the 2-story foyer, you see the steps on the right side. We're gonna cover the upstairs in a little bit because the master bedroom is amazing. So stay tuned for that. Right when you walk in to the right, you have your office or den area. I mean, this is so beautifully curated. You can tell it's a very warm and cozy space. You got your French doors that kind of close this off, and you have 2 large windows facing the front of the house. Now, the cool part is that it has this little hallway right over here that goes to a walk-in closet, a huge spacious coat closet. And then right next to that, you have another bathroom. You got your tile floors. You have beautiful cabinetry along with white countertops. You have your shower here, and you have a little window up above, bringing some natural light. Love how they did that. And then you have your linen closet. As you walk out of this, you have my favorite part of the house, the living room. Take a look at this. This speaks for itself. The furniture curates this space really well. You have huge windows bringing in a ton of natural light. You have a fireplace to cozy up the space. And you can even add a TV up here or just keep it as is, just like that. You have a beautiful ceiling fan up above. And like I said, I mean, you can see the view from back there. We're gonna cover the backyard in a little bit, but overall, very cozy, very nicely done space. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. Follow me. Soon as you walk into the kitchen, you notice this huge island. This is actually an extension. It's an extended island, and it has the breakfast bar right here. You got some seating, beautiful light fixtures up above, more counter space, stainless steel appliances, white cabinetry with stainless steel finishes, very nicely done. And you also have wood floors here and in the dining room. You got more stainless steel appliances with more cabinetry. And take a look at this walk-in pantry. There's so much space here, and the wood floors continue into here. This actually, my mom would actually love that space. She's obviously big on cooking, so that's where you'll find her. She loves cooking. Anyways, and she cooks really well, by the way. You got more space over here, more cabinetry above and below. And now you got your dining room. Take a look at this. I would call this a dining room slash sunroom. There's literally windows all around. You have a chandelier up here, but you don't even need it really because there's so much light coming into this space. And you got the wood floors here, but they do have a rug. And this leads right to the backyard, which we're gonna cover in a little bit, so stay tuned for that. But let's take a look at the mudroom. This is your mudroom space. You have tiles down below, and it's pretty spacious. You have a seating area, and then it comes with its own walk-in closet as well. Guys, take a look at this 3-car garage. It's the cleanest 3-car garage, or cleanest garage in general I've ever seen. Wow. They said they just got this painted, like freshly painted. But I mean, you could park 3 cars here comfortably. And you have storage space over there and on the other side as well, in pretty high ceilings. So park a semi-truck in here if you wanted to. That's that. Now let's go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. Follow me. Welcome to the upstairs. This is your loft area. I love this space. You can come up here and kind of get away. It's a little bit secluded. You have your windows up here to bring in some natural light. You can also add a TV here, kind of make this like a media room, which I love. And you got your first bedroom to the right here. Very spacious bedroom with its own window facing the front of the house and its own walk-in closet as well, which has its own window. Again, one of the things I love about these closets is because it has a window, it's not dark in here. It's actually kind of lit up. So next, we're gonna cover the second bedroom. So follow me. This is your second bedroom. Again, very spacious here as well. Beautiful modern ceiling fan up above. A window facing the back of the house where you have your pond view and you can see down to the patio. And one of the coolest things about this room is the walk-in closet. I mean, take a look at how spacious this walk-in closet is. I feel like I can just keep walking. You got a huge closet here, and that covers that room. Now let's take a look at the laundry room, and we got a lot more to cover. You got a linen closet here to your left. You have your laundry room. You can add more shelving here if you need it. You have a sink, and that covers your laundry room. Right next to that, you have another full bathroom right over here. Beautiful dark wood cabinetry with white countertops complements it super nice. You have a little seating area here, beautiful light fixture, and then you have your shower right over here, along with your toilet. You also got the door so you can close this off as well. Right next to that, you have another bedroom. This is your third bedroom up here. You got another window facing the side of the house. You got a huge, again, the walk-in closets are pretty much endless in this house. Now let's take a look at the primary suite, which is one of the best parts of the house. I don't know what I like more, the living room or the primary suite, but come check this out. Welcome to the primary suite. And that's exactly what this is. It's pretty sweet. I mean, look at it. Not only the furniture and the way they have it decorated, but I mean, just like the whole structure of the room. I mean, you have your bed in the center. You got your windows on each side. You have these 3 windows up here facing the back of the house. Plenty of light coming into this room. And then right over here, you got your walk-in closet. Huge. Now let's take a look at the master bathroom. You have your dual vanity. You have your light fixtures above the sinks. You have a stand-in shower with the glass doors, a bathtub with a window, and then you have your private toilet, which is also very spacious as well. And you got this door so you can close this off, and that covers the master bathroom. Now we're gonna go downstairs to take a look at the basement and the patio space. So you got your full basement here. I mean, you can see this is very spacious. You can build whatever you want down here. You can even segregate it and make like a movie room. You add a bar, just an open area, however you want to do this. You got plenty of space in the basement. Now let's take a look at the back patio. All right, guys, let's go take a look at the patio. And one of the most unique things about this home is there's a pond back here as well. Great for the summertime. Let's go check it out. Oh, hey, there you are. So yeah, welcome to the backyard. I mean, look at this. You have a huge patio here. You can barbecue back here. You can put a nice table here. Some great seating. They did this super nicely done. You have plenty of space back here, even in the side of the house as well. Again, great for the summertime to enjoy some time with your friends and family. And you have the beautiful pond view. So that's it for the property tour itself. Now let's take a look at the neighborhood and some of the surrounding areas. But before we do that, if you're thinking about moving to Michigan, make sure you hit the Calendly link below and schedule a consultation with us so that way we can help you find a home. Right now we are driving down Jackson Road where we just pulled out of the subdivision. There's a lot of dealerships, stores, restaurants. I mean, you pretty much name it, you have it down this strip, and this is only about 10 minutes from downtown Ann Arbor, close to the campus. And all of this is literally like a minute from the property where we were just at. Everything is pretty much in maximum like a 5-minute radius in terms of like the stores. So very conveniently located. And thank you for tuning into the video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it.